Meet Shuriken, better bolted connections. Shuriken allows you to quickly and easily bolt what you can't reach. How? It's a built-in wrench that holds a nut where your hands can't go, allowing you to field bolt what you would otherwise have to weld, saving you time, money, and a whole lot of hassle. It's simple. Step 1. Tack weld Shuriken to steel plates in the shop. Step 2. Install to one piece. Step 3. Field bolt the adjoining piece. It's that easy. Shuriken allows you to do what has always been a challenge. Field bolt HSS columns, trusses, and beams, SpeedCore, connections in tight spaces, and much more. You name it, Shuriken will help you bolt it. Shuriken, better bolted connections.